Welcome back to Phones Features, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in smartphone technology. Today, we've got something big to talk about. Samsung has officially raised the bar once again with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This flagship device is packed with cutting-edge features that will blow your mind. From its camera innovations to its insane performance specs, trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into what makes the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the most anticipated phones of the year. Alright, let's kick things off with the feature that has everyone talking, the camera. Samsung has gone all out with a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera that delivers stunning shots with impressive detail. With a 1x2, 52-inch optical format, 0.7 micron pixel size, and f1.9 aperture, you're looking at top-tier photography in any lighting condition. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung packed in a 200 megapixels wide-angle primary sensor for those jaw-dropping landscape shots. Imagine the clarity, the colors, the detail. It's going to be insane. Need that perfect zoom without losing clarity? The Galaxy S25 Ultra has your back with a 50 megapixels telephoto camera and 3x optical zoom. Yes, 3x optical zoom. This is a huge leap from the 10 megapixels sensor on the previous model, so you can get close-up shots that are crisp, clear, and full of life. Now let's talk about the performance under the hood. This phone is a powerhouse thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, the most powerful chip Snapdragon has ever released. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking, gaming, and running intensive apps will feel like a breeze. No more lag, no more waiting. The Galaxy S25 Ultra handles it all. Not only is it powerful, but it's also Samsung's thinnest Ultra flagship ever. Plus, with a massive 6.9-inch display, rounded corners, and narrow bezels, it's designed for comfort and style. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, that screen is going to look and feel incredible. And let's not forget, this beast runs on Android 15 with Samsung's latest One UI 7.1. The interface is sleek, smooth, and enhanced with AI-powered features to give you a personalized and efficient smartphone experience. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most advanced smartphones on the market. With its impressive camera setup, unmatched performance, and stunning design, it's safe to say that Samsung has hit it out of the park once again. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Phones Features so you don't miss out on our future smartphone breakdowns and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.